Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we're sharing a remarkable incident from the ongoing Ukraine conflict involving a Ukrainian drone and a Russian soldier. In a unique turn of events, a Ukrainian drone initially attempted to eliminate a Russian soldier by dropping a grenade near him, but when it failed to kill him, the drone later returned to help the soldier surrender. The drone located the soldier lying among the bodies in a trench and dropped a grenade, which did not end his life. Upon returning later, the drone captured footage of the injured soldier who had crawled away from the blast site. With his hands in a prayer gesture, the soldier appeared to beg for mercy from the drone operator, who surprisingly spared him. After dumping its remaining grenades, the drone flew back to its base and returned with a bottle of water and instructions on how the soldier could find Ukrainian lines to surrender. The soldier gratefully crossed himself, drank the water and injected a painkiller before carefully making his way through no man's land, guided by the drone operator. Despite shells exploding nearby, he was able to navigate safely across the battlefield, eventually reaching a Ukrainian trench. The Russian soldier then surrendered to 2 Ukrainian soldiers, who escorted him to a command post. While the footage cannot be independently verified, it is believed to have been recorded in the Donbas region of eastern Ukraine, where intense fighting between Ukrainian and Russian forces has been ongoing. The video, shared on platforms like Telegram, is over 18 minutes long and might serve as part of a recruitment campaign by the K2 battalion to encourage more Ukrainians to join the war effort. Thank you for joining us today to learn about this extraordinary moment in the Ukraine conflict. If you found this story interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to KLM Institute for more updates on global events and human stories from the battlefield. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to engage. Stay tuned for more insights into the world's most pressing conflicts and how they shape our future.